How to turn on and off your Quest 2 mic without a PC. You don't need a PC to manage your Meta Quest 2's microphone. You can easily turn it on or mute it directly from within the headset settings. Here's the step-by-step process. Put on your Meta Quest 2 headset. From the Universal menu, open the Quick Settings panel. In the Quick Settings panel, tap the Settings icon to open the Main Settings menu. In the Main Settings menu, navigate to and select Device. Within the device settings, scroll down until you find the microphone section. You will see a toggle for mute microphone. If the toggle is on, often indicated by different color or a filled-in circle, your microphone is muted. Tap it to turn it off, and thus unmute your mic. If the toggle is off, often indicated by being grayed out for an empty circle, your microphone is active or unmuted. Tap it to turn it on, and thus mute your mic. Alternatively, many games and apps also have their own in-game mic mute toggles. Your microphone setting will change immediately. You can now exit the settings menu and use your mic as desired. You can always come back to this setting to turn on your microphone back on or off as needed.